Hello students. We have studied the Pythagoras theorem in 7th standard, right? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Now, study the figure given below. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Hence, side AC is the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Sides opposite to angle A, angle B and angle C are normally shown by small case alphabets A, B and C. Therefore, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to C, BC is equal to A and AC is equal to B. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, B square is equal to C square plus A square. In 9th standard, we have studied the properties of right angle triangles with angles 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees and 45 degree, 90 degree. These properties are used to find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree angles. They have a wide range of application across various fields like geometry, physics, engineering, construction, architecture, design, art, surveying, etc. Property of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. If acute angles of a right angle triangle are 30 degree and 60 degree, then the side opposite 30 degree angle is half of the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree angle is square root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Understand? Now, let's study an example. Observe this diagram. In triangle PEN, angle PEN is equal to 90 degree, angle EPN is equal to 30 degree and EN is equal to 4 centimeter. Find the lengths of PE and PN. Let's see the solution. Given in triangle PEN, angle PEN is equal to 90 degree, angle EPN is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, angle PNE is equal to 60 degree. Because sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, in triangle PEN, EN is equal to 1 upon 2 into PN because 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property of triangle. PN is equal to 2EN is equal to 2 into 4. Therefore, PN is equal to 8 centimeter. PE is equal to square root 3 upon 2 into PN because 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree property. Therefore, PE is equal to square root 3 upon 2 into 8. Therefore, PE is equal to 4 square root 3 centimeter. Understand? Property of 45 degree, 90 degree triangle. If the acute angles of a right angle triangle are 45 degree and 45 degree, then each of the perpendicular sides are 1 upon square root 2 times the hypotenuse. For example, in triangle PQS, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, PS is equal to 4 square root 2 centimeter. Angle PSQ is equal to 45 degree and PR perpendicular to QS. Now observe the figure and find lengths PR and QS. Let's see the solution. Given in triangle PQS, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, PS is equal to 4 square root 2 centimeter, angle PSQ is equal to 45 degree and PR perpendicular to QS. Therefore, angle PRQ is equal to 90 degree and angle PRS is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle PSQ is equal to 45 degree and angle PSR is equal to 45 degree. because point R lies between point Q and point S. Therefore, in triangle PRS, angle SPR is equal to 45 degree because sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, triangle PRS is a 45 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore, in triangle PRS, PR is equal to RS is equal to 1 upon square root 2 into PS because 45 degree, 90 degree theorem. Therefore, PR is equal to RS is equal to 1 upon square root 2 into 4 square root 2. Therefore, PR is equal to RS is equal to 4 centimeter. Equation 1. Triangle PRQ is also a right angle triangle because PR is perpendicular to QS and point R lies between point Q and point S. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem in triangle PRQ, PR square plus QR square is equal to PQ square. Therefore, QR square is equal to PQ square minus PR square. Therefore, QR square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square is equal to 25 minus 16 is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, QR is equal to square root 9. Therefore, QR is equal to 3 centimeter. Equation 2. QS is equal to QR plus RS because point R lies between point Q and point S. Therefore, QS is equal to 3 plus 4 because equation 1 and equation 2. Therefore, QS is equal to 7 centimeter. Find the length of the sides and area of an equilateral triangle with height 3 square root 3 centimeter. Let's see the solution. In the given diagram, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Line AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle ADC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. AD is equal to 3 square root 3 centimeter because it's given. Angle C is equal to 60 degree because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. In triangle ADC, angle DAC plus angle ADC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree because sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle DAC plus 90 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DAC plus 150 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, triangle ADC is a 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. Therefore, by 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree theorem, AD is equal to square root 3 upon 2 into AC because side opposite 60 degree angle. Therefore, 3 square root 3 is equal to square root 3 upon 2 into AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 3 square root 3 into 2 upon square root 3. Therefore, AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC into AD. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into 6 into 3 square root 3 is equal to 3 into 3 square root 3. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to 9 square root 3 square centimeter. What did we learn? We studied the properties of 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree triangle and their applications. Exercise. Solve the following. 1. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to 5 root 3 centimeters, AC is equal to 10 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Find measure angle A. Find the perimeter and the area of a square if the length of its diagonal is 8 root 2 centimeter. The length of the sides forming the right angle in an isosceles right angle triangle is 5 centimeter. Find its hypotenuse. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeter and area is 192 square centimeter.